Okay guys, welcome back to another video from the Embry Family Entertaining 7, better known as the EFE Squad. Guys, at the end of this video, make sure you watch until the end. At the end of this video, the Mumford Mob will be coming up next at 4 o'clock Central Time. So, and actually this is another happy collab with WTF with the Family Tapers. Guys, Merry Christmas from my family to yours. Welcome back, guys, to the EFE Squad video collab. So we are doing another happy collab. It's your turn, girl.
Clap. Just say that. And I got my new shirt. Wait, might be some of it. And we are doing another happy collab. And happy stands for holidays and party items.
Yes, guys.
She's just laughing.
So this collab was brought to you by WTF with the Family Tapers. So, and this actual collab that we're doing right here is called Joy Bells Ringing. So, we are doing, you can actually do a cookie or edible arrangement. So, we are doing a cookie. So, could you show them what we're doing?
And we got this from Publix.
Hold it up. Can you see it? Ooh, the lighting.
They're actual
cookies. We are doing the ugly Christmas sweater.
Cute. And make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Oh, and one more thing. You can get this from like any place, but make sure it's from Publix. And it's only $7.99.
Okay. Good job.
And Publix has the best cookies. For my opinion. No peanuts. No peanuts at all. Alright, so let's before we get started, we are rolling, and we are rolling, and we are rolling, and we are rolling, and we are rolling. Boom, 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 and kaboom. That was the camera a little bit, but okay. Yeah. All right, so let's get open this one.
Okay, so who you think sweater is gonna be the ugliest? Or the prettiest?
Me. Mine. I'll copy her no matter what.
Hold on, let me.
Scissors.
You gonna copy her?
Scissors.
You gonna copy her no matter what?
Do y'all ever have like a little sister that always copies you and follow you? That's what I have right now.
Okay, guys, we're gonna get started on making the
ugly sweater.
All right. Down some.
No, not the ugly. I have the green. If I get the cutest one, I'm still the winner.
Oh, okay.
All right, so here's some. I think we're gonna do. Or you can do my sister wants the Christmas tree.
Okay, go ahead.
Go.
You just gotta. No. We gotta see who's gonna make the prettiest sweater.
Ugly. Pretty. Oh, mine not coming out.
Let me see.
Mine ain't coming out like I wanted it to.
It's just supposed to be like a small little line. Like that.
Then you do good. But mine over here just looking sad.
So. So we're gonna see who's gonna have the prettiest sweater. Prettiest sweater.
That little Layla. She on the roll.
Oh, yours coming out good. Okay, now you need to get mine, please.
Oh, Layla, you doing good. Yo, the girl never tells stories. Girl is switched up. Oh my Jesus!
Layla.
Yeah, you okay? Wow. Daddy had a little trouble.
Oh, Layla.
Alright, yeah. That must be good.
So guys, this our actually the third holiday. The third happy collab that we have done. Hold on, we gotta open it. It's the third video, the third collab that we have done. So, and if you want to go back and watch some of the old collabs, you can just type in hashtag HAPI, and you could watch all the other videos. And they're so fun. It's so many. There's a lot of people.
If you talk to us,
It's a lot of people in the. I'm sorry, keep trying to get the icing open. He's struggling over here. He's struggling on the sideline.
you're doing good. Let me see
No,
something.
no, girl.
Well, I think this should be a paradise.
So yeah, we're gonna see who's gonna have the ugliest sweater.
Alright, I think I'm good to put some reindeers and stuff on. I don't know why, but I think Layla's gonna win.
Yeah.
Because I'm the prettiest.
Ah.
I don't think that's it,
But okay, girl. If you think so.
if you're confident. I need really some tweezers. Yeah, you need to like stop. No, look, I need some tweezers. Look, I'm making like a pattern.
A pattern? Okay.
Girl, stop eating that candy. I was.
Huh, you wanna start with some white while we waiting on the green and the red?
Alright, I'm gonna put like a little candy cane.
I don't know, child. I don't know what's going on over here. Oh God. Oh.
Yeah.
And he's shaking
My
the whole
dad-
camera trying to get. Look,
My
you know what? Don't worry
dad
about it. Don't
about
worry
to
about it.
split his- Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's like. So we get to eat these after.
Oh yeah, you can.
All right.
Perfect.
I need the green. I
There you
need.
go. I need the red. Okay, we back at it. Oh, that's perfect color.
Good, Ivy. Good, Layla.
What about me?
They're doing good.
I said, what about?
You're doing good. That's really
All right, who
good.
pulled it now? This is the video right now. Y'all, whoever did that,
What was it?
just type in this gross. Alright, this is all the
Type
white.
gross in the comment.
This is all the white I need.
That's all white you need? Okay.
What color you need now?
I need green.
Okay.
I need white.
You need white?
Because I need them.
Okay, I need something.
Alright, you can use white. I need.
I need green. I need some color here.
Oh, dang.
So-
you're doing good. Alright, so you guys,
So this is how mine coming along so far.
Okay, good job. That looks
this is how mine's coming.
awesome, Layla. Good job. You being
Oh, it's
creative.
pretty. Yes.
You're designer.
You done
Yep.
with the green?
Oh my God. I always design dresses. Oh man, I need some more green. Oh, and this tree ain't wide enough.
Here you go.
Oh, that
There
was.
you go. Okay.
That's good.
We're gonna go
So is
head
this
on in with some little Christmas trees. Oh, look at these little gingerbread. Oh, I'm trying to.
I got one like that too.
Yeah, it's so
But I
pretty.
couldn't find one. Oh.
Good.
What you doing? Just keep going. Just keep it.
Yo, I'm doing this all wrong, but I can figure it out. I need some tweezers. I'm gonna line up.
I'm tweezing.
All right, don't laugh. Don't do nothing. I'm trying to work hard right now.
Ah, but that looks good. You
Oh, I
doing
think
good.
Abby, can I please see that green?
You got some greens right there. Oh, you got some green.
Oh God.
Oh, it can't come
Woo.
out. I want it to. Oh, I'm trying to write a D.
What did they stand for?
Dad.
Oh, That's so sweet.
Alright, yeah, that's it.
Dad.
Alright, no, I'm
Uh-oh,
gonna
I'm
put.
sorry.
I'm gonna put. It's okay. I'm gonna put all this stuff like around it. Oh, how-
Mama copying Layla Ivy. Got trying to copy Ivy.
Oh! That's
Oh, I'm
so
sorry, Ivy.
Alright, now I just need. As long as you're see, that's why mommy's girls do like that.
Woo! Okay. I'm about done.
All
Oh,
right.
yeah, ice is good. These cookies should be good too. They come from Publix. Bread.
All right, so you guys, can y'all please comment below what do I need to do because
Oh,
this is still. I
because you
know.
struggling.
This is my time. This is running all my time. I need some green.
Good job, Ivy. Ivy, yours is really, really close to looking like the bottom
Oh,
right
that,
here.
and it's gonna got white snowflake.
That's good,
What's
Ivy.
a white snowflake?
Right here.
Oh.
Layla, good job. Pretty.
Dang, I forgot I got two.
Oh, you just,
Oh, mama.
let me see. Yeah, that looks so.
I'm gonna take these two.
That's my second one. And that's mine. Okay, show yours.
Mine?
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm not done yet. Pause this video real quick, please.
Just put them on there and just let them fall off.
I'm almost done. But Mom, it sounds like someone knocked you. It sounds
It's cute.
Yes, yeah, that's what it is. The
like
ugly
oh,
sweater. Yeah.
Come here, I'll show y'all.
See it, so is ours.
Show it.
Gingerbread house,
I'm
same
not done
thing.
yet.
It's for the same thing?
No.
Oh, it's just a video.
No, this is.
Is this a normal one?
Show that.
Or
You.
Daddy trying to tell y'all everything. Not everything.
Okay, this
You-
Layla. Layla, come on, show yours.
you gotta show yours. Like, have you showed
Show
yours
it.
yet?
I'm not doing it. I'm almost done, okay?
No, gotta
Mama, stop making that video noise. You're just trying to stop. That's her. When she started tapping her nails at me, hurry up. You don't want to tell her about it.
That's what it is.
All right.
So, guys.
I'm all done.
Let's see.
You already.
Let's see. Let's see.
Good job, Layla.
And that's a D stands for.
But Dad, and I'm gonna do the other one, Mom.
Oh. Okay, Ivy, come on, show them yours.
Just mine.
We're gonna hold them up, and then we're gonna see who has the
Ooh.
ugliest sweater.
Don't do that. Don't do that. No.
You ready?
No, you're just making a mess. You see all that mess?
Ivy.
You put it
Okay, she done. Okay, this is Layla. Layla, hold yours up so we can take a thumbnail. We gotta do the thumbnail too. Ready? Hold it to the. Ivy, you gotta come in, baby. Layla, come over.
Girl, your hand.
Okay, hold it in.
Nope. Ivy.
Layla.
Thumbnail. Get it out your face, Layla. Hold it down just a little bit. Okay, hold on. Hold yours over a little bit. Okay, right there. Now.
You gotta have your mouth open.
Oh, no.
Layla, stop.
Okay. There. Okay, who has the ugliest sweater?
Wait, no, I'm not done.
Huh? You are done.
That's it. That's
Yeah,
it.
that's
You just
it.
had.
That's
Yeah,
it.
you just had.
Thank you guys for stopping by, watching our collab. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the EMBRY'S
Squad.
And we are rolling.
We are rolling.
Bye.
We are rolling.
Bye.
We are rolling.
Bye.
Can we guys know the secret?
What secret?
I don't know, but it's
What secret?
that.
It be bussin'.
Get